Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Rapala Select 2-piece hand auger. So this is used for ice fishing. I'm not really sure how long it is, it doesn't say, but this is how the box looks like. That's on this side. I got the 8-inch wide hole. I guess this is where it's coming from. Nothing on this side, nothing much. Nothing on this side, no. So let's go ahead and open it up and let's see what's inside. Let's go ahead and open it up. See something right. There we go. Okay, what do we have here? Got the knob that we could spin around. Just hold it like this and spin it around. Aluminum. Doesn't feel that heavy duty. This is a plastic feel kind of holding thing right here. I guess you get a couple holes to adjust how high you want it. Alright, let's put this down. You get your owner's manual. North mark tells you the danger. Okay, let's take a look at this. That's it, nothing else in the box. So here you go. That's how it looks like. Not bad. Metal. There's a caution sign. Check blade screws before each use. Cutting blades are sharp. Alright, so I guess this part is sharp right here. Well, you got some blades over here, so let's go ahead and take this out. Take this out. There you go. Ooh. So you got blades right here. Really sharp blades, actually, really sharp. Cut yourself on there. I'm going to show you guys so you can see. Very sharp blades. So I guess you need to have the cover on all the time, or else you're going to cut yourself nicely, and you don't want to do that when you're out in the bush trying to ice fish. Alright, so that's in, and that's here. I guess you unscrew this part out. Let's take it out. What the heck? It's taking so long. Okay, it just comes off like that. And then I guess you just put your piece on top. How far you want it, let's go all the way down. This, like so. And where the hole is, put your screw back in, screw it in. And are we in all the way? I don't even know. Oh, we're not. Let's screw it in more. There. There we go. Now it's in. Alright, we got it on the lowest setting. There we go. This is how it looks like. There's a piece tip. All the way down to your blades. So there you have it, guys. I'm gonna put this into use to the test next time I'm out on the ice, and we'll see how good it performs. So there you have it, Rapala Pro Select Ice Auger.